To record slow motion videos on Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, first of all, you will need to open your camera app. Next step is to click on more options right here, and then we can find the slow motion. Now when you have slow motion mode on, you can start to record, and then you can wiggle your fingers or just to test it out, record something that is moving, and then you can finish the recording. Click on it on the left side like I did a moment ago, and then you will see that this video is in slow motion. You can also click on the edit button. I'm pretty sure to edit the length, but I'm just gonna try to confirm it. Yep, you can. So use this button right there, and then you can adjust for how long the slow motion should last. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.